If you ever find yourself stuck with poor mobile internet or away from a trading platform, fret not, because with Sharekhan's Dial-N-Trade facility, trading the old school way never gets out of style. With just a phone call, you can easily place an order and not miss any trading opportunity. Be rest assured, all the calls are recorded and backed up by a safe and secure infrastructure. That's not all, you also benefit from Sharekhan's research advice straight from our experts. Additionally, you also have the flexibility of unlimited calling to place your orders. And best of all, you can call in anywhere from India to access Sharekhan's Dial-N-Trade facility. Now let's see how you can place an order in 3 simple steps. Dial 022-257-52300 or 022-257-52900. Enter phone ID and TPIN. Select the segment to trade in. And that's it, you're done. And here are Sharekhan's Dial-N-Trade timings details. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.